Hello, welcome to Astro Education. Um, Today's topic is property of rational number. We'll study three properties of rational number, that is closure property, commutative property, and associative property. To study these three property, we will use three variables, that is a, b, and c. This a, b, c are rational numbers, and the value of a is 3 by 2, b is 5 by 2, and c is 7 by 2. The values of this a, b, c remain same for all the examples. First, we will study closure property. Here for closure property, a asterisk b. In place of asterisk, in place of asterisk, the place of asterisk will change with mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When we it simply means that when we add these two numbers, when we subtract these two numbers, when we multiply these two numbers, when we divide this any two rational numbers, the answer must be also a rational number. So now we will see this by examples. First we will see for addition. When we add two numbers, that is a plus b. When we add these two, a and b, value of a is 3 by 2 plus value of b is 5 by 2. Our answer is 8 by 2, which is also a rational number. So we can say that yes, rational numbers follow closure property for addition. Next we will see for subtraction. Here when we subtract two rational number, that is a minus b, the answer is also a rational number. Here a is 3 by 2 and the value of b is 5 by 2. When we subtract both this number, we get minus 2 by 2, which is also a rational number. Yes, our rational number also follow closure property for subtraction. Next is we will see for multiplication. We will multiply two rational numbers. The answer must also be a rational number. Here a is multiplied by 2, b. So a is value of a is 3 by 2 multiplied by value of b is 5 by 2. When we multiply this both the number, we get 15 by 4. So yes, when we multiply two rational number, our answer is also a rational number. Next is for division. When we divide two rational numbers, the answer must also be a rational number. Here we will divide a is divided by b. So a is divided by b. So answer is also a rational number. This a is value of a is 3 by 2 divided by b 5 by 2. So our answer is came 3 by 5. That is a rational number. Now we'll take another example for this. For another example, we write a divided by 0. As we know that 0 is also a rational number. When we divide any number by 0, we get our answer is get not defined. So we can say that when we divide two rational numbers, the answer may or may not be in the rational number. So we can say a rational number may or may not be follow property of closure property for division. Next we will see commutative property of rational number. For commutative property, that is a asterisk b must be equal to b asterisk a. It implies that when we apply mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on these two rational number, the answer must be same as we commute both the entity, that is a asterisk b. First we will see for addition. Let's suppose this a asterisk b, that is here we come a plus b is our LHS, and b asterisk a, that is as we are taking addition, so b plus a is our RHS. Put up the values in LHS. Value of a 3 by 2 plus value of b is 5 by 2. When we add this both the number, we get 8 by 2. Similarly, we will put the values for in the RHS, that is value of b is 5 by 2, value of a is 3 by 2. When we add, so answer is 8 by 2. Here we are seeing this. Here we are seeing that LHS is equal to RHS, and both are rational numbers also. So we can say yes, our rational number follow commutative property with addition. So now next we will see for subtraction, that is a minus b is our LHS. In place of asterisk we will take a minus, so a minus b, that is our LHS. So a minus b, value of a is 3 by 2 minus value of b is 5 by 2. When we subtract this both the number, we get minus 2 by 2. Now we'll take for in RHS, that is b minus a. Value of b is 5 by 2. In place of s we'll take minus, and value of a is 3 by 2. This is our RHS. When we subtract this both the numbers, we get 2 by 2, which is so this here LHS is not equal to RHS. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. So we can say that we will say no, our rational number does not follow commutative property with subtraction. Now next we will see for multiplication commutative property. In place of now asterisk we will take multiplication. So a multiplied by b will become our LHS, and b multiplied by a will become our RHS. This is our LHS, this is our RHS. So put up the values of a is 3 by 2 multiplied by b is 5 by 2. When we multiply these both the numbers, we will get 15 by 4. Now put values in RHS. So value of b is again 5 by 4, 5 by 2 into value of a is 3 by 2. When we multiply, we get 15 by 4. Here again LHS become equal to RHS. So we will say yes, our rational number follow commutative property with multiplication. Next we will see for division. Now in place of asterisk we will take division symbol. So a divided by b is equal to b divided by a. Now for this is our LHS, become this a divided by b become our LHS. So put up the values. A is 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. Our answer will come 3 by 5. Now for RHS, that is a divided by b, b divided by a. Put a value of b is 5 by 2 divided by value of a is 3 by 2. So we get 5 by 3. Here clearly we have seen that our LHS is not equal to RHS. So we will say that our rational numbers does not follow commutative property with division. Next we will study associative property of rational number. So for associative property, we have a asterisk in the bracket b asterisk c is equal to in the bracket a asterisk b asterisk c. So first we will see for addition. So in place of asterisk we will put plus symbol. So a plus in the bracket b plus c will become our LHS, and a plus in the bracket a plus b plus c become our RHS. Okay. So put up the values. Value of a is 3 by 2. Value of b is 5 by 2. Value of c is 7 by 2. First solve this bracket. So 3 by 2 plus this become 12 by 2. When we add this both the number, we get 15 by 2. Solve for similarly for RHS. Put up the values. 3 by in the bracket 3 by 2 plus value of b is 5 by 2 bracket close plus value of c is 7 by 2. First we will solve this bracket. We get 8 by 2 plus 7 by 2. When we add this both, we get 15 by 2. So we can say yes, for our rational numbers follow associative property with addition. Now next we will see for subtraction. So put in place of asterisk we will put minus symbol. So a minus in the bracket b minus c must be equal to in the bracket a minus b minus c. Put up the values. This become our LHS. This part will become our LHS again. This part will become RHS. Putting values. So 3 by 2 minus in the bracket 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. 3 by 2. So first we'll solve this bracket quantity. So it become minus 2 by 2. So minus minus again become plus, and we solve, we get 5 by 2. Put up the values in RHS, value of A again, value of B, value of C. Solve this bracket, we get minus 2 by 2 minus 7 by 2. When we again solve this, we get minus 9 by 2. So here we'll see that our LHS is not equal to RHS. So we'll say our rational number does not follow associative property with subtraction. Next we will see for multiplication. So in place of asterisk, now we'll put, what we'll put is multiplication. So A multiplied by, in the bracket B multiplied by C is equal to, in the bracket A into B into C. Put up the values, this become our LHS, this become our RHS. 3 by 2 multiplied by, in the bracket 5 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 2. 3 by 2 into 7 पंजे, this multiply to 35 by 4, again multiply 105 by 8. Multiply this, putting values RHS, we get 105 by 8. So here LHS is clearly equal to RHS. So we say that yes, our rational number follow associative property with multiplication. Now we see for division. Similarly, this is in place of asterisk, we'll put divide. So A divided by, in the bracket B divided by C is equal to A divided by B divided by C. This become our RHS, LHS, this become our RHS. Put up the values. This become RHS, this is our RHS. Put up the values. So 3 by 2 divided by, in the bracket 5 by 2 divided by 7 by 2. On solving, we get 21 by 10. Similarly, when we divide this, similarly we'll put values in RHS. And when we solve this bracket, we get 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 2. When we divide this both quantity, we get 6 by 35. So clearly we are seeing that LHS is not equal to our RHS. So we say that our rational number does not follow associative property with division. Now to summarize all these, we'll summarize all these properties. First, that what our closure property say, when we add this any two number, when we subtract any two number, we multiply any two number or divide any two number, the answer must also be a rational number. So when we added two rational numbers, our answer is yes, rational number. When we subtracted two number, our answer came yes, it's a rational number. When we multiply two rational numbers, yes, our answer is yes, a rational number. When we divided two rational numbers in the close-up, when we divided, so answer may or may not be a rational number. Next is for commutative property. When we commutate the places of rational numbers, the answer is same or not. So with addition, yes, with a rational number for commutative property, with addition, yes, follow the yes, follow. With subtraction, our rational number does not follow commutative property. With multiplication, our rational number, yes, follow the commutative property. With division, our rational number does not follow the commutative property. With associative property, our rational number in associative property with addition, our rational number follow yes. With our rational number with associative property with the subtraction, our rational number does not follow. With multiplication, yes, they follow. With division, they do not follow. Thank you.